Inhale, go back. Exhale. One more time, एक और बार. सांस अंदर बाहर. And 2 more times on your own. अपने आप 2 और बार. And relax. Observe the sensations in the body. जो भी संवेदना है उसको महसूस करिए. With a smile, relax the whole body. And slowly and gently you may open your eyes. आंखें खोलिए. And let's stand up. खड़े हो जाए. And gently start jogging wherever you are. Very important thing in today's session, because we will be doing a lot of dynamic movements. Listen to your body, especially those of you who have issues with the knees. Do very gently. You don't have to go in full depth of the poses. Shake your hands, हाथ को हिलाएं. अगर घुटनों में इश्यू है तो आज का मूवमेंट्स में हल्का करिए. Shake the whole body. Shake it as you wish. मन जैसा चाहते हैं वैसा शरीर को हिलाएं. Nobody is watching you. Loosen yourself, free yourself. With a smile. And let go. Now, imagine you are standing on fire. अब आग की ऊपर हैं. So, कैसे भागेंगे? How will you run? Go faster, 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 faster. Your feet is on hot fire. Faster, 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 faster. And relax. Keep moving, keep moving. We'll do this once again. एक और बार करते. Go faster, go faster, faster, faster. You can shake your hands also along this time. हाथ को भी हिलाएं. Faster, faster, faster. And relax. Just observe your breath. And slowly let's start walking on your toes. अपना पंजियों पर चलिए. Keep breathing, that's very important. Don't stop the breath. सांस को चलने दीजिए. Now, as you're walking, let's do the windmill. Start rotating your hands. हाथ को भी rotate करना शुरू करिए. Use the entire space in the house, in the hall. Walk around. अच्छे से पूरा space को use करिए. Now change the direction of the arm rotation. विपरीत दिशा में हाथों को घुमाएं. Still walking on your toes. Now let's start walking on the heels. अपना एड़ी के ऊपर आइए. पाँव को ऊपर उठाएं. Nice massage to the entire body. पूरा शरीर के लिए अच्छा मसाज इससे मिलता है. Now let's walk on the outsides of the feet. पाँव की बाहर की तरफ वॉक करिए. Keep a smile on your face. Walk around. Now on the insides. अंदर की तरफ. You can take the hands back like a penguin. Happy penguin. एक penguin जैसा. हाथ को पीछे करिए. पाँव के अंदर की तरफ वॉक करिए. Slowly come back to the center. वापस सेंटर में आ जाए. Now stand straight. Let's do some joint movements and begin with the animal walks. थोड़ा जॉइंट मूवमेंट करते हैं. होल्ड योर हिप्स. इनहेल, लुक अप. एक्सहेल, लुक डाउन. सिर को ऊपर नीचे करिए. अप, डाउन, अप, down, up, down, and slowly start rotating your head from the right side. दाहिने ओर से सिर को घुमाना शुरू करिए, clockwise direction. Make sure you are coordinating the movement with the breath. In yoga, every movement is coordinated with the breath. As you come down, reverse the direction. विपरीत दिशा. योग में सारा मूवमेंट्स को हम श्वास के साथ जोड़ना पड़ेगा हमको. And relax. Now take your hands to the sides and gently bend to the left and right. हल्का सा दाएं बाएं मोड़िए. You're all doing very good. आप सब अच्छा कर रहे हैं. ऐसा करते करते रोज योग करना बहुत आवश्यक है. Very important to practice yoga every day. And come back up. Now start rotating your right arm from the right elbow. कोहनी से हाथ को घुमाएं. दाएं हाथ. Now start doing it with the left hand also. बाएं हाथ. It's like a traffic police. Keep rotating and reverse. विपरीत दिशा. आज शरीर को मजबूत करना. We want to strengthen the body. And relax. Now you can swing your hands left and right. हाथ को दाएं बाएं swing करिए. And as you swing the hands, take them to the back and take them all the way to the top. And slowly come down. Once again to the top. Do it along with the breath. श्वास के साथ. And relax, let go. Now put the fingers on the shoulders and bring the elbows to the front. हाथ कंधों के ऊपर और गोल गोल घुमाएं. Slowly start rotating your arms from the shoulders. Touch your elbows, biceps next to the ears, take it back and down. And continue. चालू रखिए. Now notice the entire shoulder, chest, neck, everything getting stretched. And reverse. Squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. And let go. Hold the hips and gently start making circles with the hips. कमर को गोल गोल घुमाएं. Are you still smiling? The more you smile, that much your body and mind relaxes. आप जितना मुस्कान रखते हैं उतना शरीर को विश्राम मिलता है. And reverse. And gently come back to the center. Now exhale like a spring. Move your body up and down. एक स्प्रिंग जैसा शरीर को ऊपर नीचे करिए. सिर को भी ढीला छोड़िए. Drop your head down. Now left and right. याद रखिए पूरा नीचे झुकने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. स्पेशली अगर आपको कुछ इश्यूज हैं शरीर में. यू डोंट हैव टू बेंड डाउन फुली. इफ यू हैव एनी इश्यूज इन द बॉडी जस्ट गो हाफ वे लाइक ईशा. And slowly come back up. Now we will do the kicks. आगे kick करते हैं. You can take the support of the chair. Lift your right knee up and kick forward. And relax. The left leg. Remember you have two legs. दूसरा पैर से भी kick करिए. And let go. Now ankle rotation. पाँव को घुमाएं सर्कल में. And reverse विपरीत दिशा. And the other leg. And reverse. Today we'll be working on strengthening the hands, arms, legs, back and tummy. हाथ, पेट, पैर सबको आज हम मजबूत करेंगे. All right. Now let's begin with some animal movements. Increase the distance between your legs a little bit. All right. Now for this movement, maybe you can sit on the chair if you want to. We'll do the elephant movement. Take your right hand to the left side and grab your nose with your left hand. दाएं हाथ को बाएं तरफ लेके जाएं और नाक के पकड़े बाएं हाथ से. Now slowly bend down, how much ever you can, and start swaying the body left and right. दाएं बाएं घुमाएं शरीर को and come all the way up if you can. Like a happy elephant, you're moving the head left and right. If you want to make sounds like an elephant, you may do so. If you have seen an elephant, you know how it sounds. हाथी जैसा आवाज भी कर सकते हैं आप. And gently come back up. And let's change the hand. Change करिए हाथ को और आगे झुकिए. Bend down and slowly start swaying left and right. Nicely. Notice your hamstrings are stretching, your lower back is stretching. You can do it at your own speed. अपना ही speed में करिए. And slowly and gently come up. And relax. Now if you wish to, you may quickly stretch the shoulders. Take your right hand to the left side and pull in with your left hand. दाएं हाथ को बाएं तरफ लेके जाएं, अंदर खींचिए. And to the other side. And let go. Let's do the second variation of the elephant movement. For this you can stand and do this. Right leg to the front, left leg to the back. Now keep your left hand on the left hip. दाएं पैर आगे, बाएं पैर पीछे. हाथ को कमर पे रखे. अभी हिलाएं पूंछ को. Shake your tail. Now inhale, take your right hand up. This is your trunk. Now exhale, bend forward and go down, go down, go down. Now remember, you are still shaking your tail. And slowly come up. Hands on the body. श्वास लेते लेते ऊपर आ जाएं. श्वास छोड़िए, आगे झुकिए. Exhale, bend forward. Keep shaking your tail. And slowly come back up. Bend back. Exhale, bend forward. And slowly come back up. Just notice that when you're shaking your tail, your trunk should not shake. Alright, only the tail should shake. One more time. Bend forward and down. And come back up. And let's change the side. दूसरा तरफ. Right hand on the right hip. Left hand goes up. Exhale. Bend forward, go down. Keep shaking your tail. पूंछ को हिलाइए, हिलाइए. नीचे झुकिए और ऊपर आ जाएं. Bend back. पीछे मुड़िए. And bend forward. Continue. One last time. आखिरी बार. and slowly come back to the center. Now we'll do the elephant walk. अभी हाथी जैसे walk करेंगे. Now what you'll do, you can see once, bend down and keep your hands down. It's okay if you want to bend the knees, you can. All right. As much as possible, keep the knees straight. Now both the hand, right hand and right leg will move together. इसमें क्या करना है, दाएं हाथ दाएं पैर एक साथ जाना है और बाएं हाथ बाएं पैर, and the left hand and left leg. All right, and continue walking. Let's begin. शुरू करते हैं. Go forward all the way to the front and turn back. Continue walking. Just like how an elephant walks. And come back to the center and slowly breathe in. Come on. Just for a moment, close your eyes. You might have a lot of blood rush to your head region. Just relax for a moment. सिर तक बहुत खून गया होगा. विश्राम करिए एक क्षण के लिए. And slowly open your eyes. Now we will do the peacock walk. मोर का walk करेंगे. Now bend the knees. Now imagine there is a lot of food grains on the floor, on the ground. नीचे बहुत सारी खाना है, उसको हम मुंह से लेना पड़ेगा. We have to pick the food. Now bend down, take your hands to the back, interlock them, stretch the hands up. हाथ को ऊपर करिए. Now lift one leg up and go down to the front. Lift the other leg up, go down to the front. Imagine you are picking all the food from the floor. Remember, if you have knee issues, don't go down fully. आप नीचे तक जाना है क्योंकि हमको नीचे से खाना लेना पड़ेगा. You can make sound like a peacock also. Now you know why the peacock is called Mayur. Right? Slowly come back up. Shake your hands again. Lot of blood flow to the head region. Close your eyes for a moment, then relax. And open your eyes. Now, we'll do another variation of the peacock walk. It's a little easier version. See what's happening when you're bending the knees and walking down, your thighs are becoming strong. Is that clear? हमारा पैर इससे मजबूत हो रहा है. Now, interlock the fingers, index finger stretched out. Now this is your beak. Now bend your knees, go down, touch the floor, pick up the food and come up. You're rolling your shoulders. कंधों को अच्छा से रोल करिए, नीचे तक झुकिए. And continue walking. Slowly come back up. Now let's do the camel walk. अभी हम ऊंट का walk करेंगे. कैसे करना है? How to do this? Keep your palms on top of each other. The same way, keep your legs straight. You will bend the knees, go down and come up. But with your shoulders, you roll the shoulders. Take your hands to the front like a wave. Is that clear? घुटनों मोड़ के नीचे जाएं और हाथ को अच्छा से गोल गोल घुमा के आगे करिए. Let's begin. Smile on your face. Keep breathing. And turn back to the center and continue. And we'll do this one more time. एक और बार करते हैं. Let's begin. We are happy being a camel today. And the other side. Come back, relax. Now we'll do the horse. Gode. Now make the Merudanda Mudra and tuck your elbows to the sides of the body. Alright, Merudanda Mudra rakhiye. अभी क्या करना है, अपना घुटनों को ऊपर करना है. You bring your knees higher up. Now as you're doing this, you can also make sound like a horse with the tongue. जीभ से आवाज करिए. Shall we do this? Yes. Now remember, you're not bringing the hands down. हाथ को नीचे करिए, मत करिए, पैर को ऊपर करिए. Let's begin. Isha will show the easy version and I'll make it a little challenging for you. Okay? The horse is running very fast. एक और round. Slowly come back to the center. Relax for a moment. Eyes closed, observe your breath. And slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. Now we'll do the duck walk. Badak. Now have you seen how the ducks walk? Right? You have to bend the knees down and move your hips left and right as you walk. Keep your hands to the sides, move the hips left and right. It's very good for your sacrum. Alright? हाथ को नीचे करिए, घुटनों मोड़िए और कमर को दाएं बाएं मूव करके वॉक करेंगे. एक बतख जैसा. इससे अपना सेक्रम के लिए बहुत अच्छा रिलीज मिलता है. एंड कंटिन्यू वॉकिंग. Come back to the center. वापस सेंटर में आ जाए. Now we'll do the monkey. Bandar. Now what does a monkey do? For this you might have to squat down or you can simply stand halfway. Alright? Imagine you're holding a branch. आप कुछ चीज़ को पकड़ा है. अभी बंदर क्या करता है? दाहिने ओर देखता है और बाएं ओर देखता है. Look to the right, look to the left, but jump to your right. Look to your right and jump to the left. Now, do only as much as you can. जितना हो सकता है उतना करिए. Look to your left, jump to the right, look to the right, and jump to the left. Slowly once again, come on. Keep walking. Walk करते रहिए. Now we are back to being human beings. अभी हम इंसान बन गया है. Now we'll go down. We'll do the donkey kicks. For this you can simply hold the chair also and do it. आप चेयर को पकड़ के कर सकते हैं. I'll show you it's an interesting movement. हो सकता है तो करिए. Make sure that nobody is behind you. That's very important. All right. पीछे कोई नहीं रहना चाहिए. हाथ को नीचे रखिए. Keep your hand down. Now the donkey is happy. गधा है. गधा खुश है. क्या करेगा गधा? कमर को ऊपर उठाएं. Lift your hips up and kick back with the right leg and come down. Now with the left leg. Right, left, right, left. One more time. Right and left. Now the donkey is very happy. बहुत खुश है गधा. क्या करेगा अभी? पीछे दोनों पैर से किक करना. You have to kick with both the legs. Jump and kick. Only if you can. हो सकता है तो. One more time. One more time. And relax. Now gently let's stand up once again. And slowly check your hands. Remember, tonight we have a special Q&A session for all of you. आप सबके लिए आज रात Q&A session है. उसको मिस मत करिए. 8:30 बजे 8:30 PM we'll be taking all your questions, whatever questions you have with respect to the practice. All right. And tomorrow is one of my favorite practices, चक्रा balancing. कल हम चक्रा के ऊपर काम करेंगे. चक्र को कैसे बैलेंस में लेके आना, उसको मिस मत करिए. डोंट मिस टुमारो सेशन. ऑलराइट, बिकॉज यू बीन सो कंसिस्टेंट टिल नाउ. लेट्स मेंटेन द कंसिस्टेंसी. आपने अभी तक कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन किया है, लास्ट तक बना के रखेंगे. ऑलराइट, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, we will slowly sit down and go on the knees, or you can sit on the chair. We'll do the lion roar, simhasan karenge. Sit on the knees and spread open the knees wider. Toes can be together. पाँव को साथ साथ रखिए, घुटनों को दूर रखिए. Now you bring your hands up next to your head, like these are the claws of the lion. Now pull the tongue out and roar like a lion. जीभ को बाहर करिए और सिंह जैसा आवाज करना है. आप करते हुए, as you're doing, just feel that the energy is moving up from the bottom till the top. नीचे से ऊर्जा ऊपर की तरफ आ रहे हैं, ऐसा महसूस करिए. Breathe in, tongue out. Roar as loud as you can. जितना आवाज कर सकते उतना करिए. Left and right, बाएं दाएं. And close your eyes for a moment and just feel the energy rushing upwards. आंख बंद करिए एक क्षण के लिए. And slowly and gently you may open your eyes. Now, from the lion, let's become a cat. सिंह से अभी बिल्ली बनेंगे हम. Come on all fours. And inhale, look up, arch your spine down. Exhale, chin to the chest, arch your spine up. And continue. Breathe in, श्वास अंदर. स्पाइन को नीचे दबाएं, श्वास बाहर. एक्सेल, स्पाइन को ऊपर लेके जाएं. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट योर टमी. नाउ पुल द टेल इन बिटवीन बोथ द लेग्स. पूंछ को दोनों जंघा के बीच में कीजिए. इनहेल, लुक अप. एक्सेल, लुक डाउन. Come back to the center. Now, inhale, lift your right knee up from the right side, like a dog. Dog asana. दाएं घुटनों को दाहिने तरफ से ऊपर उठाएं. Look to the front. Keep breathing. And relax. Lift your left knee up to the left side. Look to the front. बाएं घुटनों को ऊपर उठाएं साइड से. And come down. One more time. Right knee up to the right side. एक और बार. And down. Left knee up. Keep smiling. And down. Now you may rest in child's pose. शिशु आसन में विश्राम करिए. Now, if you can't go down, you can make a fist with both the hands, place them on top of each other, and you put your forehead on the fists. And slowly and gently, you may come up. Now we'll do the downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana, another dog variation. Stretch your hands to the front. But remember, keep your hips on the heels. Buttocks एड़ी के ऊपर रखना चाहिए, हाथ को आगे करिए. Many of you have been asking, you want to continue the practice even after 14 days. We have some plan for you. I'll talk about it on Sunday. 14 days, 14 दिन की बाद कैसे इस अभ्यास को कंटिन्यू रखें, हम संडे बात करेंगे. Come on your knees. Tuck your toes in. And lift your knees up. Push your chest to the thigh.
पुश योर हील्स डाउन, घुटनों को ऊपर उठाएं, कमर को ऊपर करिए, एड़ी को नीचे दबाएं, जंघों को छाती को जंघा की तरफ लेके आए, अधोमुख श्वानासन, डाउनवर्ड डॉग।
Now from downward dog we will go into the upward dog. शरीर को आगे लेके आए, कमर को नीचे छोड़िए और ऊपर देखिए. Bring your body to the front and look up. The difference between Bhujangasana and upward dog is the thighs are in the air. Now if this is difficult, you do simply Bhujangasana. अगर ये मुश्किल है, आप भुजंगासन करिए, पूरा शरीर को नीचे रखिए, ऊपर देखिए, look up. Downward dog. Upward dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. If you wish to, you can stretch your toes to the back. If you are on the chair, you be careful, huh? You don't have to do this. Gently come on your knees. Now relax your head down. Child's pose, Shivasana. And slowly lift your head up. Now we will do the mouse pose, Mushakasana. Now, from the child's pose, bring your elbows to the front. हाथ को आगे रखिए सुषुवासन से और हाथ को पकड़िए. Hold your fists. Come on the knees. Very simple. Now arch your spine to the top. रीढ़ की हड्डी को ऊपर की तरफ दबाएं. Breathe in, move your body forward and breathe out, come back. It's a very good asana to strengthen your shoulders and arms and core muscles. Swans अंदर आगे, swans बाहर पीछे. Continue moving. चालू रखिए मूवमेंट को. And relax. Now we will do the rabbit pose. You can sit on the chair and do this. Chair पे बैठिए. Now first is you put the top of the head down and we'll interlock the hands from behind and lift it up. Now let's do the easy version. पहले हम easy version करते हैं. Keep your hands down, little to the front. Lift your knees up and place the top of the head on the mat. सिर का चोटी को जमीन पे रखिए, कमर को हल्का सा ऊपर उठाएं. Now those of you who can take your hands up, interlock your fingers and stretch up. जिन लोग कर सकते हैं हाथ को ऊपर करिए और ऊपर स्ट्रेच करिए. Strengthening your neck, गर्दन को स्ट्रेंथन करने का ये आसन. And slowly come up and lie down on your tummy. पेट की बल ले जाए. Palms under your shoulders. We'll do the Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, relax here. Relax your shoulders down, elbows down, look up. कंधों को कान से दूर करिए. और धीरे धीरे नीचे आ जाए. स्लोली कम डाउन. Now let's rest in Makarasana. Bend your left knee to the left side, right cheek on the floor, right hand above the head, left hand in front of your face. बाएं घुटनों को मोड़िए और बाएं ने और मोड़िए. मकर आसन करेंगे. दाएं हाथ सिर से ऊपर, बाएं हाथ सिर के सामने. We'll do the Brahmari sound here. Breathe in. And slowly roll over to your back. Just two more asanas. Now we'll do the Matsyasan. Place your palms facing down under the buttocks. दोनों हथेली को buttocks के नीचे रखिए. Bring your elbows close to each other. कोहनी को पास रखिए. Now inhale, push your elbows down and lift your upper body up. शरीर को ऊपर उठाएं. Drop your head down to the back. सिर को पीछे छोड़िए. Now if you have any giddiness in the head, you can avoid dropping the head down and keep the head up. Gently lower the head down. Bring it close to the floor. And lift your head up and lie down on your back. आसन से बाहर आ जाएं. Now before we go into the Pavan Muktasana, we'll do the Supta Padangushtasana. Bend both your knees, lift your legs up and hold your toes. दोनों घुटनों को मोड़िए और पाँव का उंगलियों को, बड़ा उंगली को पकड़िए हाथ से. Stay here. Now those of you can gently straighten the legs up. जिन लोग कर सकते हैं पैर को सीधा करिए. Keep breathing. And bring your legs down. Wrap your arms around your legs. हाथ से पैर को पकड़िए. Gently rock the body front and back, massaging the entire back muscles. And left and right. Come back to the center, stretch your legs out. Relax your whole body. I'll teach you a mudra after this, so stay till the end. इसके बाद आपके लिए मैं एक मुद्रा सिखाऊंगा. लास्ट तक रुकिए. Now take your attention to your feet. पाँव में ध्यान रखिए. As you breathe in, move your attention from your feet through the body to the top of the head. And as you breathe out, move your attention back to your feet. And continue doing this with every breath. श्वास लेते लेते पाँव से सिर की चोटी तक ध्यान लेके आए और श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते वापस पाँव तक ध्यान लेके जाएं. इसको चालू रखिए. You are scanning the entire body from the feet to the head with your awareness. And relax. Let go of all your efforts. Vishram. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, gently move the body. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते हल्का सा शरीर को हिलाएं और दाहिने ओर करवट लीजिए. Roll over to your right side. And rest for a moment. And slowly and gently you may sit up. धीरे धीरे उठकर बैठ जाएं. And you may open your eyes. आंखें खोलिए. Now we will do the Prithvi Mudra. How to do the Prithvi Mudra? Touch the tip of the thumb and the ring finger. अंगुष्ठा और अनामिका इस दोनों को जोड़िए और दूसरों उंगली को सीधा रखिए. Keep the other fingers stretched out. Alright, this is how we do the Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi Mudra increases the strength like the earth in the body. शरीर को मजबूत बनाते हैं. आंख बंद करिए. Close your eyes. Keep a smile on your face. And long deep breaths in and out. लंबी श्वास अंदर बाहर. Keep your attention on your breath. ध्यान पूरा श्वास के ऊपर. With every inhalation, feel the whole body becoming stronger and stronger. एक एक श्वास के साथ शरीर मजबूत होते जा रहे हैं, ऐसा महसूस करिए. And slowly and gently open up your fingers. And let's do a short meditation. छोटा सा ध्यान करते हैं. हथेली को ढीला छोड़िए, कंधों को ढीला छोड़िए. Relax your shoulders, spine erect, smile on your face. Become aware of your body. Your body is made up of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and space. हमारा शरीर 5 तत्व से बना हुआ है. पृथ्वी, जल, आग, हवा और आकाश. Become aware of your breath. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. श्वास के प्रति सजग हो जाए. Become aware of your mind. मन के प्रति सजग हो जाए. Your mind operates the body and connects with the body with the breath. हमारा मन शरीर को चलाता है और श्वास के माध्यम से शरीर को चलाता है. विश्राम. Relax. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. जय गुरुदेव. How are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है? It was a lot of fun, yet your body is feeling strong, the mind is relaxed. Yes, this is the beauty of Shrish Yoga. शरीर मजबूत लग रहा है लेकिन मन शांत है. सही है ना? लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ द सेशन वाज टुडे. कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताएं और सेंड सम हार्ट्स भी भेजिए. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट अबाउट टुनाइट्स बोनस Q&A सेशन. आज रात 8:30 बजे बोनस Q&A सेशन है. We'll be taking a lot of questions and answering all your questions. All right? And tomorrow's session is on chakra balancing. So we'll be working on all the chakras. Kal, miss mat kariye, don't miss it. And pat yourself. You all have been so consistent till now. That is a great commitment towards your health you're all having. And even after 14 days, we are going to be continuing the practice. But how? I'm going to tell you about that on Sunday. इस 14 दिन के बाद भी हम अपना अभ्यास को चालू रखेंगे. कैसे करना है वो संडे में बताऊंगा आपको. ऑलराइट, सो स्टिक अलोंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन.